If you are waiting for home prices to drop before you buy, you are missing out on the biggest wealth-building secret of the modern housing market. The most successful investors in 2026 aren't looking for perfect houses. They are looking for lazy equity in properties that just need a little bit of vision. By focusing on value-add investing, you can buy a property that others are ignoring and force its value to increase through strategic renovations. Simple upgrades like modernizing a kitchen, adding a second bathroom, or even just updating the curb appeal can create $50,000 in equity overnight. This manufactured equity allows you to bypass the slow grind of natural market appreciation and puts you in the driver's seat of your net worth. You can even use a renovation loan to fund the repairs, meaning you don't have to use your own savings to transform a fixer-upper into a masterpiece. Once the work is done, you can refinance into a lower rate based on the new, higher value and pull your original investment back out. At lower mortgage rates, we help you find the creative financing you need to turn a diamond in the rough into a cash-flowing engine.